When you're improving a bathroom, it's also a good idea to update the vent fan. But if you stop there, you're only getting part of the benefit. Many older fans are poorly vented or not ducted to the outside at all. Connect a rigid metal duct to the new fan and route it as directly as possible through a nearby roof or wall to remove moist air from the bathroom. This will require the addition of a weather-tight vent on the outside of the house, but it will ensure a comfortable, healthy environment inside for you. This tip brought to you by Broan NuTone, bringing fresh ideas home.